Elements Yoga and Wellness Studio. I'm coming to you on the night of April 22nd. The new moon is in Taurus. Taurus carries the astrological symbol of the bull. And this symbol and this sign represents slow, steady, grounded energy. This is a time for relaxing, renewing, and restoring. And so while we all are staying home, trying to stay well, I have put together a series of restorative yoga postures along with my daughter Cameron. These postures will be placed on my website under the virtual class page and alongside this video. Unfortunately, the poses are all going to be placed in photograph form rather than video. I want you to have a visual along with the pose benefits, contraindications, and a few directions so that you can do each pose either in a sequence together or individually to support your own yoga practice, your own experience, and your own wellness without feeling that you need to keep up to the pace of a video or that you need to do each of the postures. Choose one or choose all of them. There'll be a suggested sequence. This is no substitute for a live class, but this is what I can bring you during this time, and I hope that it brings you the wellness and the peace that you each deserve to support renewal of energy.